Today, we're looking at top 5 best moments from The Rock. My name is...
What's your name?
At number 5, we have Agility versus Brute. The Rock versus Brock Lesnar.
I'm very surprised that's an incredibly left five right there. Spinebuster! Spinebuster! And here it comes! Don't waste time, Rock. Nail this people's elbow, man! The most electrifying move in sports entertainment today!
Number 4, The Rock tells his CEO, Triple H, to zip it.
The Rock! Brahma Bull! Great one! People's champ! And to say the least, The Rock is something you're not, undisputed champion, so shut up, bitch! Oh my God!
Number 3, the People's Champ versus the Anti-People. The Rock versus CM Punk.
He was alluding to is what is up next. It is for the WWE Championship. It is our main event. CM Punk versus The Rock. The Rock, of course, the People's Champ. CM Punk, the man who is anti-people. They clash next at the Royal.
Number 2, The Rock versus John Cena.
For The Rock, it is about his legacy. For John Cena, it is about redemption.
What I think is the best moment from The Rock is...
It doesn't matter what you think!
Number 1, The Rock versus Chris Jericho. The best promo I've seen from The Rock so far.
The Rock tells you the truth. The reason you can't win the big one, simply, you are not that good.
Wow.
Oh man, The Rock just pulled Y2J's Punk card! What is your name?
I told you.
It doesn't matter what your name is!